Paano kung namatay si GSIS pensioner at ang asawa ay patay na din at ang mga anak ay hindi na mga minors? Answer, unang-una friends, this is a good question, no? So marami nang nagtatanong regarding this sa YouTube channel natin. So may research tayo sa website ni GSIS at ito po yung na-research natin and sagot. When the dependent spouse and dependent children are already receiving the basic survivorship pension and dependent children's pension respectively, any subsequent death, emancipation, or disqualification of any one of them shall not result in the accrual of that portion of benefits to the other beneficiaries. Simply said, friends, yung monthly basic pension na na-receive ni dependent spouse and yung mga dependent children ay hindi po malipat sa other beneficiaries, which are yung secondary beneficiaries na parents ni pensioner. Hindi na po malipat. Considering po na naka-receive na po ng pension si dependent spouse and yung dependent children. So na-enjoy na po sa primary beneficiaries. So in case po mamatay si dependent spouse and yung mga bata or mga anak ay majority age na, ay stop na po yan. Hindi na po malipat sa other beneficiaries. Kahit po buhay po yung parents ni pensioner. Yan po ang guidelines ni GSIS. So the answer po is, wala na po, hindi na po malipat ang pension or ma-stop na po ang pension ni GSIS pensioner. Ayan po, hanggang dependent spouse lang po and dependent children. Nothing more, nothing less. Ayan po. Alright, so hope na nasagot natin ang question. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.